Episode 6, Division of Fractions and Mixed Numbers. Part 1, Fraction as Divisor. Part 2, Whole Number as Divisor. Steps. So, meron po tayong steps na ilalatag ngayon in dividing or division of fractions and mixed numbers. So, 1, copy the dividend. 2, use multiplication. 3, get the reciprocal of the divisor. And number 4, simplify the answer. So yung step 1 to 3 po, yun dapat nating tandaan. Kasi yung step 4 po ay lagi naman po dapat gawin yan. So we have CMR. Copy, multiply, reciprocate. Or copy, multiply, reciprocal. So para mas madali pong matandaan ng mga estudyante. So part 1, fraction as divisor. Example number 1. What is the quotient of 1/5 and 2/3? So we have here the word quotient, meaning we will use the division as operation. So 1/5 divided by 2/3. So as we have discussed earlier, so we will just copy the dividend. So 1/5. Then multiply. Then, reciprocate. So, ano po ba ang reciprocal ng 2/3 or ng ating dividend or divisor? So, 2/3, ang gagawin nating 3/2. So, yes, ibabalik na rin po natin. Then, proceed to multiplication steps as usual. So, we have 1 times 3 equals 3. Then, 5 times 2 equals 10. So, that is our final answer. Example number 2, divide 6 by 1/4. So we have 6 divided by 1/4. So again, copy the dividend. So 6. Ang gagawin natin, lalagyan natin yan ng denominator na 1. So we have 6 ones, then m, multiply. So 4, 1. So again, yung 1/4, ni-reciprocate natin yan o kinuha natin reciprocal. So babalik na rin lang, magiging 4, 1. Then proceed the multiplication steps as usual. So we have the numerators, 6 times 4 equals 24. 1 times 1 equals 1. Again, we have the denominator 1, so the answer is the whole number 24. So that is our final answer. So, example number 3, 1 and 2/7 divided by 2/3. So, meron naman tayo ditong mixed number na dividend. So, 1 and 2/7 divided by 2/3. So, again, we need to copy the dividend. But this time, we need to have a numerator and denominator. So, anong gagawin natin? So, 1 times 7 equals 7. Then, 7 plus 2 equals 9. So, copy the denominator 7. Ginawa nating improper fraction yung mixed number natin. So, then, multiply. Then, reciprocal ng 2/3 ay 3/2. So, again, steps in multiplication. Numerator times numerator. 9 times 3 equals 27. Then, denominator times denominator. 7 times 2 equals 14. Now, we have here an improper fraction. So, we need to rename it into a mixed number. So, our answer is 1 and 13/14. So part 2, whole number as divisor. So example number 1, what is the quotient of 1/9 and 4? So quotient again, so the operation is division. So we have 1/9 divided by 4. So CMR tayo, copy the dividend. M, multiply. Then, reciprocal ng 4 ay 1/4. Tandaan po natin, kapag gagawa natin ng reciprocal ang whole number, gagawin lang natin to ng numerator na 1 and then denominator po yung whole number. So, we have 1/4 para sa madaling matandaan ng estudyante. Then, proceed to multiplication. 1 times 1 equals 1. 9 times 4 equals 36. So, that is our final answer. Example number 2, find 2 and 3/8 divided by 5. So we have 2 and 3/8 divided by 5. So again, C, copy the dividend. But this time, again, we need to have numerator and denominator only. So 2 times 8 equals 16. Then 16 plus 3 equals 19. And then we will copy the denominator. So we renamed it into an improper fraction. Then multiply. So again, what is the reciprocal of 5? Yes, 1/5. Then proceed to multiplication na nga po. 19 times 1 equals 19. And then 8 times 5 equals 40. So that is our final answer. So that is the parts 1 and 2 of division of fractions and mixed numbers. Thank you and God bless.